Hello everyone, my name is Alexandra, and in today's video, we're going to do a studio update. Okay, so what's going on? Alex, what's happening on your channel? Well, nothing is changing per se. We are updating. We're adding more. What? Yes, I've already issued a lot of these changes. Oh my god, what am I doing? What am I doing? I started pantomiming my own channel. Oh, I'm gonna drink some more caffeine. Maybe that will help. Yes, I am doing a channel update, and I'm trying to be professional. And my dog keeps crying because she wants me to throw her toy. I'm trying to make this video. It has been a long day. And it's been a short day for work, but a long day personally. I feel like it's a long week personally. It's a long pandemic personally. Everything is just long. Ugh. Also, I've had too much caffeine. And, yeah. So, what is going on? She said, girlfriend, what's going on? Well, nothing's changed, or has it? I have actually done some changes already, and now I'm just letting you know what's going on. I have decided on Mondays we are doing doll unboxings, at least for the next month. But for the next couple of months, we are going to be doing doll sewing Wednesdays. For now, we are sewing clothes for Blythe dolls, like I've been doing for almost a year. That being said, my 1-year anniversary is coming up, June 1st, 2021. Has it really gone by this fast? Right now, it's April 21st, May, June. I have just a little over 1 month before I hit my 1-year anniversary. And I did some thinking. Alex, have you really met all your goals for this channel? And I said, no, I haven't. And that made me very, very, very sad. So, time to make some changes. Well, I'm a full-time graphic designer, illustrator, web designer, UX UI designer, creative director. I'm a hodgepodge of things when it comes to my personal life. And I have been really wanting to turn YouTube into a sort of hobby with the potential of becoming a career. Because I'm so jealous of those that can quit their job and just do YouTube videos all day. And let me say, it is a lot of work. Doing YouTube, even part-time, takes a lot of time to do. So, Alex, if you're already spending a lot of time making YouTube videos, how are you going to make more YouTube videos? That's a good question. You only have so much time in the day. And with COVID, a lot of things have already been closed down, so there isn't much for me to do. That leaves me with a lot of free time on my hands, and usually that free time is spent reading. I love to read. I love to read a lot of romance novels, a lot of science fiction romance novels, a lot of paranormal romance novels, and a lot of fan fiction. Oh yes, I'm one of those. I love to read. So, over the next couple of months, I'm going to be reading a little less. Darn it. And I'm going to be making and using my skills as a graphic designer to make, yes, sticker sheets. What? Where did that come from? Where did graphic design come to sticker sheets? Well, as a designer, I can make illustrations, and I'm particularly fond of using Adobe Illustrator. my dog. So I'm going to use those skills to help me build my Etsy store. Now, that being said, I still plan on making doll scale fabric, which I'm really excited about, but it's super expensive. And I felt like I was trying to run before I learned to walk. And so now I'm taking a little bit of a step back and trying to build up basically, I'm trying to make the money to spend the money. Yes, exactly. I'm trying to make money to spend money. And by doing that, making sticker sheets and selling them online will help me make the money to fund buying and selling doll scaled fabric, which is my all-time goal right now. I want to do that at least before the end of the year. I still want to do it. That has not changed. Please expect to see really discounted fabrics that are made specifically for dolls at a small scale, usually the 1/6 scale. And to do that, I'm taking some of my skills that I get already paid for, being an artist, being a artist that actually has a job and makes good money is really hard to find. And if you can be a graphic designer and find a good job as a graphic designer, congratulations. That is not easy to do, especially if you become a very good graphic designer. There's some really bad graphic designers out there. Anyway, I'm going to use my skills as a graphic designer to basically make illustrations for sticker sheets. I'm going to sell those sticker sheets on Etsy so that I can build some money to buy doll scaled fabric. So I have a plan. Yay! Well, what does that mean for the channel? Nothing really. Because I'm starting to make some doll scaled fabrics and taking the time that I would normally read to make illustrations for sticker sheets so that I can buy the fabric, it just means that you're going to get more videos. Hold on, it's not, yes, it's not a bad thing. You're going to get more videos because I'm going to be reading less. So it's a bad thing for me, but not for you. Or maybe it's not a bad thing for me either, because I have been knee deep in making these sticker sheets. Oh my god, Miss Dog. You're going to be in the video. I know you don't want to be in the video, but you're going to be in the video because you keep whining at me to throw your toy. All you want is your toy. I love you. I love you so much. I love you, knucklehead. Okay, go get the toy. So, the new update is more videos. So that's what's going on. I mean, I'm sounding very serious, but that's what's going on. I'm trying to be really professional because I've been drinking a lot of caffeine and I've been all over the place, and this is like my 4th, 5th, 6th take of making this video. And I have just been trying real hard to express exactly what's going on with my channel and give you an update of what's going to happen with this channel. So you're going to see more videos. My 1-year anniversary is coming up. I realized I didn't have everything I wanted on my channel, and then I decided, okay, to get to everything I want on my channel, I'm going to make some small sacrifices to get the things that I want. I want a bigger channel. I want an Etsy store. How do I do that? Well, you gotta plan. You gotta do things. You gotta get ready. You gotta make small sacrifices to get to where you want to go. And so that's what I'm doing. I am making things to make things. And oh my god, I just realized one of my videos is actually in the background. So welcome to a sneak peek of what's going to happen maybe 2 or 3 videos down the road. And that is making illustrations for sticker sheets. I hope you understand, and I hope you enjoy the added videos. I know it's more than the doll stuff that you want, but when I created Creative 404, it wasn't specifically just for dolls. It was for everything creative. And so when it comes to my channel, I really wanted to bring more of the artistic aspect. And so this is me bringing in some artistic aspects as my dog cries at me, but I just really wanted to do that. And I really hope you guys are excited for these changes and are looking forward to seeing what's happening with this whole sticker situation. And I hope you enjoy these future videos that are going to happen. Thank you so much for watching. That's it for today. Bye bye now. I love you. I hope this wasn't too serious. I was trying to be more less And my dog just keeps bugging me because she wants me to play with her toy. Ah. Bye.